All right, so here we're doing the multiplication with polynomials. So we're just multiplying. So we're just going to apply our exponent rules when they come into play. Otherwise, we multiply numbers as we normally would. Anytime we have variable components, we're going to use exponent rules so that we can combine accordingly. So 3x squared times 4x. So it's 3 times the 4, x squared times the x. That's it. Negative 5y times negative 2y. Multiply negative 5 times the negative 2. Y times y. 10y squared. And we have 2x times x plus 3. So this 2x is outside of the parentheses. So what do we know? That tells us that we have to distribute. So distributing, we are distributing the 2x to everything inside the parentheses. So 2x times an x. So it's really a 2 times the invisible 1, so 2. And then x times the x, which is x squared. Then we have, all right, so we're distributing, so we have 2x squared, then plus 6x. And that's it. We're done. Here we are distributing what? The negative 4. So negative 4x minus 12. Nothing can combine. The problem is finished. So all of that is really, those 4 examples are problem types that essentially you should be used to at this point. What we're getting to on the other side is where we're going to be introduced, where we have to double distribute, or as some people know it as FOIL. The FOIL method. The FOIL method just means first, outer, inner, and then last. So it's just telling you the order in which to multiply your values. However, if you use knowledge that you already know, then it helps you be able to do the new information by just applying a small extra concept. So essentially, distributing is what we did on these last 2 problems here. Well, we're just basically on this problem 2x minus 4 times x plus 3. This becomes basically whatever is in the first set of parentheses is distributing to everything in the second set. So this 2x here is going to have to distribute to everything in the second set of parentheses. Then our negative 4 is going to also distribute to everything in the second set of parentheses. So when you look at it, 2x times x is first times first. So 2x times x is 2x squared. Then we're taking outer, the 2x, multiplying to the outer term, so plus 3. So 2x times positive 3 is a positive 6x. Next, we're going to multiply inner. Well, the inner term, negative 4, is going to multiply to the x. So negative 4 times an x is a negative 4x. Then last, you multiply the last terms, or you just distribute the negative 4 to the positive 3. So negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. So the easiest way is just to see it as a double distribute. And then when we look at what we actually have like terms, so we must combine them accordingly. And now the problem is finished. All right, so next we have 6x minus 4 times 2x minus 5. So again, double distribute. So the 6x is going to distribute to everybody in the other set of parentheses. So what does that give us? That gives us a 12x squared. 6x times a negative 5 is a negative 30x. Now I'm distributing negative 4. So negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. So when we look at what we have, we combine like terms, 12x squared minus 38x plus 20. And we're finished. 7x plus 4 to the second power. So on this particular problem, you cannot use a shortcut, meaning you cannot just say 7x squared and then 4 squared. It does not work that way. This is a binomial. You cannot apply the power rule to a binomial. The power rule only applies to a single term. This is two terms. So the only way to work this problem is you must write it twice, because that's what it's saying. It's saying 7x plus 4 times 7x plus 4. So we are going to now work this problem by doing what? Distributing. So first I distribute the 7x, so 49x squared plus 28x. Then I'm going to distribute this 4 here, so plus 28x plus 16. So when we combine like terms, we're looking at 49x squared plus 28x plus 28x, 56x plus 16. And we're done. 3a minus 2 times 3a plus 2. Pause that and see if you can work that on your own. Alright, so when we distribute, we should have 9a squared plus 6a minus 4. And when we combine like terms, the plus 6a minus 6a cancel each other out. So 9a squared minus 4 should be your final answer. And that's how we multiply polynomials.